Hello everyone, my name is Mahakpreet and today's topic is food allergens. First of all, why it is important in FDN. Food allergens are considered to be threat to food safety in the international standard ISO and for the food safety management. In this, consumers, government agencies and food manufacturers all share responsibility for managing food allergens. Regarding this method, various regulation at national and international levels are addressing the significance of allergen management and specifying requirements that food manufacturers must meet. What is food allergens? It occurs when foreign substance is eaten and your immune system reacts to it. And after eating that, there is several mild reactions of it. It can be mild, fatal, and it is mostly caused by eating harmless food, and sometimes it can be life-threatening also. What are the symptoms of food allergens? It can make your skin flush, rashes or hives, and sometimes with the running nose, swelling of nose. It can also cause shortening of breath and with red or itching of eyes. It can make your face swollen of lips, tongue and throat, and also with the stomach pain, cramps, diarrhea and vomiting. The most dangerous reaction is anaphylaxis. In this, there is emergency need of medical care, and it can also send you into the state of shock also. It can drop your pulse and people mostly get faint in this type of reactions. How food allergens can be identified? The FDA enforces regulation requiring companies to list ingredients on packed food and beverages in order to safeguard individuals with food allergies. There are more specific labeling requirements for food or substance that cause allergies. Like label may be used or may contain or made in that facilities. The food allergies are always written with symbols or in bold and Italian style that for the consumers to catch their eyes. How can one having food allergy can be avoided? Always read the labels before buying the food. Wash utensils while cooking to avoid cross-contamination. While dining out, make sure to aware the staff of your allergies so that it do not cause any emergency at the end. Always carry your medication if needed in emergency. Wear medical ID bracelet, like sometimes peanuts allergy or something like that. In the event of accidental taken, learn to recognize the early sign of an allergic reaction so that you can get help or you can help yourself in that situation. There are 9 major food allergens like milk allergy, egg allergy, fish allergy, shellfish allergies. In this, there are different types of seafood allergies, tree nuts allergies, peanut allergy, wheat allergy, soybean allergies or sesame allergies. The most common is peanut allergies, which is like now most of the common allergies throughout the world, from like child to old ones. What are the treatment? Avoid allergen food is the most effective treatment. This can be challenging, but we have to do it for our health. Therefore, reading food labels is essential. Antihistamine is a medicine that can reduce an individual immune activity, which can eliminate allergy symptoms, and it can be only done under the supervision of physician. Do not take by your own, take under the supervision of physician. Anaphylaxis can be treated in an emergency with adrenaline or 2 injectable doses of epinephrine. It can be carried by people who have high risk of anaphylaxis. It can help people breathe easier by widening their airways, which is blocked due to allergy. And it also aids in the recovery of extremely low blood pressure. An individual can regulate the medicine through an auto-injector penetrate into the skin, which is mostly taken on the outer thighs or sometimes in the stomach also. And it can in the model incorporate the antiplane and anaplane. We can support others in food allergens, like instruct people around you, ensure family and guardians, including sitters and school staff, have a careful observation of your youngest food sensitivity. Get to know other people. It can be very helpful to have the chance to talk about food allergies and share information with other people who have the same concern as you. Information and discussion for food allergies can be found on various websites or organizations. Some are made just for parents of kids who have food allergies. What are the conclusion of overall? All the food handling business should take food allergens very seriously because they are considered a risk to food safety and also to the human life. All food products that can contain food allergens must be known to consumers. When the consumer had a food allergy, it is also their responsibility to take extra precaution when purchasing and consuming food. There is no cure for food allergens. It can be only avoided, or if it is mistakenly taken, there are some kinds of shots or medicines to recover it. The best way to avoid an allergic reaction is to avoid food that cause food allergens. There are some questions for you that can be solved by my classmates. That is, what is food allergen? What is common symptoms of food allergen? How much of a food allergy does it take to cause a reaction? Thank you so much.